Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, you are welcome on my YouTube channel. If it's your second time or third time, welcome back to the fam. I go by the name of Bongani Kumalo, and today I'm going to show you the best way you can make money online by completing surveys and watching ads I mean on your mobile phone or on your mobile device. So guys, please stay tuned on my YouTube and like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and show some love, show some support. I'll keep uploading more videos for you, more ways of making money online, even show you some ways of starting your online business and start making cash or make a living on the online business. Okay guys, without a waste of time, let's hop into the video. Spray it up. Okay guys, the first app is Foap, Foap. This app is used to sell photos online. Whatever photo you take, if you are good on taking photos, wherever you go, it can be a product or a building, a tree, animal, or whatever. As long as it has a good picture, you can sell it. Companies and brands can buy that photo. Okay, let's go straight to the app. The first thing we want to do is go to Google Play and download the app called Foap. Waiter. Then we're going to search this app. Foap. Sell your photos. Okay guys, you have to install this app. As I already installed it, you can see it is written open. Okay guys, then we'll go back. Let's see some reviews on this app. Wait, some reviews. Okay, as you can see, 5 stars. Okay, you see guys, most of the people are reviewing this app with 5 and 4 stars, meaning this app is legit and good for you to sell photos. Okay, straight to the app guys, without a waste of time, because we've already seen the reviews. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open the app. What you will see on the app is because you haven't registered your app, it won't be like this because you have to register. You see, I've already registered my app. You see, so I have my details and I am signed in. So guys, what you wanna do here is to follow people that are doing this kind of job, people who are selling their photos. Let's see this guy, how the photos he's selling. Let's see. You see guys, what kind of photo you can sell, type of photos you can sell. This one is taking time to load up. Let's see. Here it comes. Okay guys, as I've said guys, you see the pictures that are being captured by this guy, and he's selling them online. You can take a picture of anything, as long as it is looking good. You see, these are the people you can follow, and you also have missions here. Missions you can complete here, like this one. You see, Coca-Cola needs a photo that is promoting Coca-Cola. You might earn 1000 US dollars on this entry guys. So guys, please make sure that you join this app. I recommend guys you join it if you want to make some extra cash and you have a good photographing skills. So guys, let's go to the next app. The second app is, what you need to do, you're gonna find it on Play Store, guys. I'm gonna leave the link on the description below so that you can find these apps. Okay. We're gonna search secret agent. Secret agent. I'm sorry, guys. Secret agent. Then we click search. Here the app comes. It's called secret agent. What you do on this app, you complete the surveys. They give you a number of surveys that are close to your location. See the reviews that are close to your location. You don't do much. What you usually do, they usually ask you to go and take photos on their product. For example, if Sunlight asked you to go and take photos of their product from Spar, maybe from ShopRite or any retailer, what they want to see is that how is the product positioned, or how is the product being displayed in front of the customers. Okay, guys, what you need to do, you need to install this app. It's called Secret Agent, to start making money online. Okay, guys, after installing the app, you need to open the app. You need to open the app called Secret Agent. Secret Agent. The Secret Agent. Okay, guys, uh, this is Secret Agent, and because I've already registered my app, I'm using these apps, guys. It's not like I'm trying to spam you or what. I am really using these apps, just that I started using them maybe about a month ago. Okay, as you can see, guys, here are the jobs that I have. The first one, you can see, is gonna pay me 90 rand, and as you can see, it's 12.1 kilometers away from me, from my location. Here is my location. I'm in Durban. Okay, so if I want this job, to complete this job, I'm gonna click on it, then I'm gonna accept the job. So as you can see, guys, it will take me 2 hours to reach the location that they sent me, which is shop 4 Redley Park Road and Old Man Road, Mayville. So guys, on this task, you will be required to buy something. You will be required to purchase something of a value of 30 rand to be able to complete this task. So guys, since I don't want to complete this task, I won't click accept. So guys, I recommend that you join this app and you try and make some money for yourself, especially if you are a student. It's not that much, but you can try and make some extra cash on it. Okay, guys, let's move to the third app. The third app is gonna be Field Agent, the one I just opened by mistake. Is Field Agent is like my favorite one. Okay, Field Agent, you need to download it first. Okay, let me show you that you can find it on Google Play Store. Okay. Search Field Agent. So guys, this is the app. This app, guys, what they do, they provide you with surveys to complete, with tasks to complete, by verifying locations or taking some photos and completing and submitting them, completing the mission. Okay guys, since I've already downloaded this app, so let me show you the reviews, what people are saying based on this one. As you can see guys, this is a legit app. Guys, as you can see, people are rating this app 5 stars, 4 stars. And that is a good sign. That shows us that this app is legit and really paying people the money they need, the money they earned, or the money they've worked for. As you can see guys, this guy here made over $95. See guys, let's go to the app guys. Okay, you're gonna go to the field agent. Let's wait as it's still opening. As you can see guys, it is showing up my location. This is my location guys. This is my location, Durban. These are the missions, just that they don't pay. I have these missions, they written 0 rand because I just started this app. So they give you jobs if you complete these types of jobs, these free jobs, so that they can see how passionate are you. Okay guys, if you search for the missions, you go here. As you can see, I have no mission right now. And open the map. I'm in South Africa. And if you zoom in, then you find Durban. Okay guys, so the only thing you need to do here is to register. They will show you the sign up form, or I will make videos on how to sign up on these apps. Only thing you need to do is to comment on my comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel so that I will be able to upload some more content, more videos, maybe twice a week or 3 times a week. Because guys, support is the only thing that is my energy to keep going guys. Because if you do something and there is no support on what you are doing, you tend to like lose the energy you used to put in. So guys, please show some love, show some support, and I'll keep uploading some stuff for you. Thank you guys, see you on my next video.